I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today, out of our Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook, we are making something that you guys have had all the time at the Cleveland Clinic during their 5-hour counseling of patients with heart disease. It's one of our favorite recipes for sandwiches and spreads and dips and many other things. It's sweet
potato hummus.
And credit where credit is due, the chef Jim Perko from the Cleveland Clinic created this recipe. It's gorgeous. So we're going to make it today as fall is creeping into all of our bones.
It's actually once a month. My husband has this seminar, and this has been one of a favorite recipes that he created that we serve.
Not my dad, Jim Perko. He hasn't made many hummus recipes. But it's a sweet potato that's been cooked and peeled, and my mom was sort of interested in how I peeled my sweet potato today because she does it differently. How do you do it? Oh. I make it in the microwave.
I never peel a sweet potato. I always use the peel because that's the powerful part.
It is a very powerful part.
But when you're making the hummus, I guess you don't want the peel.
Yeah, so I just take the skin off, kind of like just peeling not a banana, but what would you call this? A really bad sunburn? Well, I'm making more. This is twice as much.
Oh, I'd eat that.
Well, you can dive in the compost and eat it later. All right. So, and then we add a roasted red pepper, and
Jane uses it from a jar. I never like the taste of roasted.
No, I don't
jarred
like it
peppers,
either.
but it is what you do in here.
It is, and then there's some cumins and some cayenne pepper and a lemon and some garlic. You want to squeeze that in, or do you want to do it your reamer way?
Here, you do it.
Do you want your reamer?
No, I don't have my reamer.
No, I'll give you your reamer. You love your reamer.
No, because I'll get seeds.
Yeah, and I can't find my reamer. You probably stole my reamer.
Do it your way.
Okay, well, we'll put this in. Oh my gosh, this is more rind than it is juice.
When we serve this at the Cleveland Clinic Wellness Institute, you see, this is why she needs my way.
This is like, it's like a helmet of a lemon. Ah! All right. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to be a little bit of a renegade from the master herself. Oh, gosh, there you go. I'm going to get a lime.
No. This will work.
But can we get 3? Oh, yeah, it is working. That is working. There you go. That's awesome. All right.
But see, this is the principle of my citrus reamer.
Okay, here. Then keep going. You're kicking it. You're kicking it. Nice. And extra fiber from all the seeds we're going to have in here. What a bonus. Woo! Woo! Oh my God. I'm going to take a few of them out. I mean,
no. Let's leave them. This will be good to see.
Well, there's like 10,
really, why shouldn't you eat the seeds?
There's like 10 or 12. Can you see that? Seeds. Okay. And then let it rip.
That's it. And at the Wellness Institute, we serve it with pita bread. And we take a whole piece of pita, cut it in half, and then you can cut separate the halves and stack them all up and cut them into little triangles.
Little wedges.
And bake them at 350 until they're crispy. You've got to keep watching.
I think we did a video about how to make it crispy.
But that's the best way to get really crispy things into our plant perfect diet, which is often not very crispy. Okay, so mix this up or blend it up in a Cuisinart, a Vitamix, whatever you have at home, high-speed blender. You see, the seeds don't even show.
I see a few seeds. I'm going to give it one more buzz, and then we're going to put it here, and we're going to test it with Mary's Gone crackers, or whatever you want to try it with.
We just didn't make the pita.
I feel bad we didn't make the pita, because that is how it is served in that, and it's such a light, it's so light to have just half of the pita pocket with a little bright sweet potato hummus. And of course, to make it look beautiful, parsley on top, or cilantro, or basil, or whatever you want. Okay, let's give it a go. This is a thick one. Well, this is actually thicker than your recipe might be, because I put 2 sweet potatoes in here, Granted, you could do one large one, which would probably be equal to 1.5. But we are just going to go with a thick version today. All right. How is it?
It's good. The difference is the seeds.
I knew
Makes
you were
the
going to say
difference.
that. All right. Let's have Wade try it. Thanks so much.
Thank
See
you. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.